class 10. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bettiah. Students, we have started a new lesson which is meaningful and lesson teaching. The name of the lesson is necklace, where we have seen a simple clerk working in the office of education brought an invitation where there was a grand party, but this invitation was not welcomed and loved by his wife because she was the most beautiful lady of the locality. It was her own opinion and she demanded luxurious life, beautiful jewels and beautiful clothes. All those things were not possible at the demand, but the husband was very nice and he always tried his level best to please his wife. Anyway, this beautiful lady just was not willing to go to the party due to two important reasons. The first one is that she had no beautiful dress, and the second one, she had no jewels. But she tried her level best to make efforts on the first demand, that was beautiful dress. The husband, who had kept 400 francs for enjoying hunting in the summer season, in coming summer season, he agreed and he gave the money, the said money, to his wife with a direction that she must buy a beautiful dress that cannot be just avoided and that must be used on other occasions. Anyway, the time of the party came, the dress was ready, but Matilda again started living in very disappointed and sad mood. She was not willing to speak nicely to whom? To her husband. So her husband wanted to know what was the reason, and again the point was brought that she had no jewels. The husband suggested that she should go to the market and buy beautiful natural flowers to decorate herself, but she couldn't agree. Later on, after discussion, she took permission from the husband and she went to one of her college friends. There she just criticized the husband for certain reasons. This she did only for pleasing the friend, and ultimately she borrowed a beautiful necklace. She was very much happy, she was very much pleased at the moment, and she just was now ready to go to the party. She took time in dressing herself. She dressed herself and at last she was ready to go to the party. Anyway, they went to the party and ultimately they entered the hall where the party was going on. Matilda became the center of attraction. It was for the first time in her life that she was very much happy. She became the center of attraction. Everybody started looking at her. She was asked her name and everybody wanted to be presented with the lady. She was inwardly happy at the moment. She left the husband with some other unfortunate husbands, sat in the cabin and she started dancing with a great show, and that was the intoxication of pleasure. She started dancing and they forgot that she should not do that, but she did, and she did all these things for only praise and admiration. She completed this journey and it gave sweetness to her heart when she started and decided to be back when the party was over. It was 4 o'clock in the morning. Her husband had been half asleep in one of the little saloons since midnight. The husband was now just sitting somewhere else in the saloon, in the cabins, and he didn't have any interest in dancing and doing like that, but she was cursing, she was pleasing herself, and on the other hand the husband was cursing his fate, but he couldn't disclose it, and ultimately it so happened that the situation was now out of the party, and they started coming out of the party. When she was coming out, she did the last mistake. That was not mistake, that she did willingly, that she just threw around her shoulders the modest wraps they had carried, to whose poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume. She did this mistake. She couldn't think for the pressure, for the prestige and all other things like that one. Anyway, they came out, and she was in hurry away in order not to be noticed by the other women who were wrapping themselves in rich furs. Again, she started facing psychological and social pressure around her body and on her mind. Mr. Husband was also with her. Anyway, he had to accompany, he had to go with that lady. He decided to go to call a cab. Cab means a small vehicle, just like Tonga and auto in our country. But she would not listen. She couldn't wait. She continuing going on without having any interest, without having any sense of presentation. And when they started going, after crossing some distance, they came to know an old cab, and they just decided to go in that cab. They sat inside, and they went back to their apartment. And when Matilda, Mrs. Wife, started keeping herself in a standing mood before the mirror, and she wanted to just remind her glory, her happiness, her success, her victory and other things in that party, suddenly she started crying at the top of her voice. What was the reason? The students, you will be surprised to know the reason, that the necklace she had borrowed was found missing, and it was not around her neck. What happened after that? Why was it a turning point in their life? We shall discuss in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.